you have a beer question for Mary Jo? Anybody?
Well, I guess it's not quite a beer question, although I've had Microsoft beer at a convention. I'm not sure if I can speak to that.
Was it derivative of the Apple beer, would you say?
Previously on TWiT. TWiT News.
This was a truly loaded event, a lot more than we expected.
We did get the color IMAX. We finally got the AirTags. They finally shipped. No surprises there. We've known about these AirTags for a year.
Hands-on photography.
The guest that I have on air for you all this week is not only the legendary Mr. Rick Salmon.
I have what I call, I think you've heard me talk about it, my one picture promise. You could only take one picture. What would that one picture be? You'll get a higher percentage of good pictures.
This Week in Google.
This morning, the EU issued its proposal for legislation around AI and AI apps. No, Jeff, this is actually really good legislation.
As it stands, Stacey, you're right. This is not bad, but I can see danger in every bullet in the list here.
Mac Break Weekly.
I think the big thing, though, is that I think what we're going to see is with COVID is that, the use of a lot of these things were like this, and then it went up like this, but it's not going to come back down to here.
Stop
it's gonna
showing
come
off.
like this.
TWiT.
If you're listening at home, what you missed was a little flex from Alex where he telestrated.
I was showing you. That is the best way to, how am I going to describe that?